हेलो बच्चों, टुडे वी विल डू same chapter glimpses of India have written on the board and second part what is Coorg written by Lokesh Abroll. So sit with the book and open page number 90. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. So three words are coming, just give underline. One what? Martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. So in this place, okay, you are having the new word Coorg. It's not the name of a person. Okay, it's a name of a place that is in Karnataka. Okay, so here you can see the picture also. So here is also the Coorg dress. It has been called Coorg dress and it was this chapter from Karnataka, and where it's situated, it is written here midway between Mysore and Mangalore. Okay, now you just be clear that Coorg is not the name of a person, it is the name of a place that is of Karnataka. It has been called a piece of heaven, not the heaven but piece of heaven. Means it has the beautiful and interesting and as well as the gleaming as well as the charming scenes to visit. You can see the picture also here, many beautiful pictures you can see here also, and if you will turn the page, so there is not the picture but I will tell you gradually. I will make the pictures in your mind through the line, okay, through reading the lines, okay. See, so here martial men, three things are very important, and Coorg is just famous for martial men, beautiful women and wild creatures. Three things are very important to mention in Coorg place, okay. So here Coorg or Kodagu, somewhere Coorg has been called Kodagu. It is called Kodagu also, Kodagu. Okay, check out the spelling. Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka. It is, I told you now, of Karnataka. It is smallest what? District of Karnataka. So keep in mind everyone, Karnataka. Kodagu is also the name of Coorg. You can keep in your mind, Kodagu and Coorg both are same thing. And it is just famous for evergreen rainforest, spices, coffee plantation. Evergreen rainforest covered 30% of the district. So rainforest, here the rainforest cover 30%. Forests cover 30% of area of the district, you can say, of this district. It's very important point, you can keep in your mind, and especially for making your answers, framing your answers. So it's important point. Then after, the season of joy commences from September, and if you want to enjoy the season, so you have to select the season September, from September to till March. So from September to till March, the weather is perfect with some shower thrown in for good measure. The air beats of invigorating. Invigorating means what? Energetic, healthy, invigorating. New word, invigorating means energetic and healthy. Okay. So here you can see, if you want to go to Coorg, so you have to select the seasons from September till March, and in that time if you will go there, so you will feel that the wind is having the enervating air. Enervating means, I told you, enervating. Enervating means energetic or healthy. It is called the, if you have the word, the name of enervating. Invigorating. Okay, I forget to tell you. Invigorating. So here, coffee. So word coffee is coming. So coffee. What do you understand by coffee? Coffee means, just in Hindi you can say kahwa, and it is just considered as energy drink. Okay. So here, if you want to have the invigorating qualities, so you can find coffee there. So here the coffee plantations were rich in this area. You can see here estates. If state is coming, the meaning of state means farms. Farms should be farms. Okay, state. If you will talk about the state, so no e. So it will be state. Okay, the meaning of state is just a place. Raj in Hindi. If e is added before states, so it becomes the meaning of farms. Okay. Keep in mind, beta. So if you will go to Coorg, so there you can see the rich forms of coffee. You can see there easily tree canopies. Okay, tree. What is tree canopies? Like this. Suppose. Okay. This is tree. Suppose this is tree. So it is called tree canopies. Tree canopies means the rich branches, greenery, covered with greenery is called tree. Okay, so it is tree, or this is called canopy. The upper part, the healthy, the rich part, the thicky part, you can say. So it is called canopy. Canopy. Okay. So here very canopies are, you can see here the word is coming, prime corners. Means if you will go in Coorg, so mostly you can see the canopies. The reason behind it, that it has the rainforest. I told you now, it was the rainforest, the monuments, weather is all okay. Because of that, the trees looks, you can say green, and because of that it becomes very thick. So it is called canopy. That's why it becomes canopy. Okay. Beta mark here. We'll continue in the next week.